Welcome to a world where elegance meets comfort. Your dream home is not just an idea, it's a reality waiting to be designed. Join us as we explore luxury interiors tailored to perfection, just for you. Luxury is in the details. It's the way light dances off a crystal chandelier, the texture of fine Italian marble under your feet, and the seamless blend of comfort and sophistication. Every space tells a story, and today, we'll help you craft yours. Imagine walking into your living room where every piece of furniture is hand-picked to reflect your style. From opulent sofas to statement art pieces, a well-designed living space sets the tone for the entire home. The kitchen is more than just a place to cook, it's the heart of the home. Whether you prefer a contemporary open-concept kitchen or a classic chef's paradise, your kitchen should be a perfect blend of style and functionality. Your bedroom should be a sanctuary, a place where comfort meets tranquility. With plush fabrics, calming hues, and bespoke furnishings, it becomes a personal retreat from the world. Step into a world of relaxation with a bathroom designed like a private spa. Heated floors, elegant fixtures, and ambient lighting transform everyday routines into moments of indulgence. Luxury is not just about aesthetics, it's about innovation. Smart home technology allows you to control lighting, temperature, security, and entertainment with a simple touch, elevating your living experience. Luxury extends beyond the walls of your home. Outdoor spaces should be as inviting as the interiors, with infinity pools, lush gardens, and stunning lounge areas that create an oasis of relaxation. Your dream home is more than just a vision, it's a masterpiece waiting to be created. If you're inspired to design a luxury space that reflects your personality, let's make it happen together.